name is Jessie and this is week 2 of Girls Inc. Online, and today for our STEM lesson we're going to be learning how to turn recyclables like the bottles into a flower pot that you can enjoy. So I'm going to go and put this in some warm soapy water for about 10 minutes to get all the labels off, and then I'll talk about the next steps. I have a completely clean bottle. I'm going to take my Sharpie and draw on the bottle where I want to cut it. And you can use anything for this. You could even use a can or like a coffee container. I've already made a little puncture hole in it, and this is something that you might want to ask an adult for help with because it took me a while and it's kind of difficult and dangerous to stab scissors into a water bottle. So now I'm just cutting around until I get to the end. And you can see here I have kind of a sharp edge, so I'm just going to go in, a bit of water came out there, and do it again, just so get rid of some of that rough edge. So there you go. And what I also wanted to do is I'm going to cut out a piece on here to put in my flower pot so I know what flower or plant I'm going to put in there. So I'm just going to draw a little steak shape. Sort of looks like a bunny ear. You can make whatever shape you want. And then I'm just going to cut that out as well. And there we go. So I'm actually going to paint mine. You can use Sharpies, you can use any color, you can even maybe put hot glue gun construction paper to the outside or something, but I have acrylic paints, so I'm going to put some of these on a paper plate and paint both the steak and my flower pot. So now that that first layer is dried, I'm going to use some different coloured paints and paint some flowers on here. So I've filled my flower pot up with about 3/4 of the way up with potting soil. Like I said earlier, you can use dirt from outside and soil too. I'm going to make a little divot and put my 2 lemon seeds in there, cover them up, and put my little marker that says lemon in there so I know what's growing. And I can't wait to see how my science experiment turns out. Stay safe, and we miss you. Can't wait to see your plant science experiments. Bye!